Welcome to Harisystems. In this session, you will learn how to install Python software in your Windows desktop. Python is a high-level programming language. Here you will see that website, the official website of Python programming language, python.org. Go on downloads. Click Python 3.7.1, which is the latest. If you are choosing other than Windows, you go for downloads here, Linux, Unix and Mac OS and other operating systems. Click on download. Once the download is completed, run the setup. Click run. Install now. This is the default path it's showing, users and local programs. The version, which is the 32-bit, is it's installing, including IDLE and PIP and documentations. If you need to change the path of the default, you need to select as customize installation and give the path where you want to install. And here installer launch for all users. There is a different users, administrator and admin, user 1, user 2. For all users, if you want to access this Python IDE and the programming software, check for this and add path 3.7 to the path and continue the installation. Click install now. It will ask the security user authentications. Click yes. Setup in progress. It's initializing. In my Windows system, it's a 32-bit operating system, hence it is installing the 32-bit setup of Python. It's a streaming all the requirements of the language, tools and the predefined libraries are going to installing. The utility scripts. It will let you know what is TCL and TK supports and all for upcoming videos. The bootstrap of PIP. Now add the path is adding for initializations. The setup was successfully completed. The persons Mark Hammond, without whose years of freely shared Windows expertise, it would still be Python for DOS. If you are new to Python, start with the on-rail tutorials and documentation. You will learn many more things and the basics of the Python, how to run and how to use and how to execute the programs on Python by using this IDLE tool. Go to the program files. Here it's showing that Python 3.7 is a 32-bit, or else click on expand the all programs. You will see here Python 3.7, IDLE 32-bit and Python 3.7. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and press bell and comment and share. Thank you.